Your love is rated X. That means you're extra, extraordinary.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sierra Bay, and today's video is going to show you guys how I do a little bit of lock maintenance on my hair. I am 10 months into my lock journey. That's almost a year, so I want to make sure that my locks are kind of forming in the way they should go. So I noticed that some of my locks are not doing well as far as the shaft part. So let me show you. Some of my locks over time have kind of gotten out of whack. Pretty much that's what I'm going to say. Let's see, like these, like look at those. Look at it, look at it, look at it. You see all of those where like it's kind of just not in the lock. Let me find a bigger one. As y'all should know already, my locks are all different sizes, but you see all of that? So I think this can happen from a various of reasons. It could be the way that I'm washing my hair. It could be me forgetting to sleep with a scarf, because that has happened. It could be the manipulation of putting my hair in different styles. I think it's just a variation of reasonings, but we're gonna handle it today. I'm not going to do all of them on camera. Obviously that would take so long, so I'm just going to do them over time, and then I'll show you guys like the completed results later on down the line. What we are going to need is our interlocking tool, or you can say instant locking tool, or needle hooks. So I have two different kind here. I have this one with the two latches on it. You see the two little like hooks at the end. It looks like this. It's 0.75 millimeters. And then I have the single latch here as well. And it's also the 0.75 millimeters. But for today, I am going to use the two latches. And I'm going to put my hair up so you guys can see which lock I'm working with. So I'm gonna pick out one of these locks. Let's see which one is like the worst. People be like, your locks are so cute, and I'd be like, yeah, they are, but there's a lot of like mishaps here. So when I showed y'all earlier, oh, this one, terrible, absolutely terrible, absolutely absurd. Back. This is the one we're gonna work with. Got a little closer for y'all. So you see how it looks so terrible. So we're gonna try to make it look more rounded and into the lock. So we're gonna take the latch hook, and I'm just gonna start at the top, and you just do this motion with the latch hook, and it takes the hair in and out, and then eventually it'll become the lock, become into the lock. So I'm gonna start at the top, and I'm gonna hold it like this, take the latch hook, and I'm kind of twisting my hair around a little, just to make sure it's going in a rounded motion and not flat. So this tool, if you haven't seen it before, this tool is used to fix locks. It's used to make instant locks. It's used to make lock extensions. You see how this is now more intertwined with the rest of the lock. I'm gonna go up here because it's kind of bulky. Also, you kind of want to take your time. You don't have to rush. That's why I'm not going to get through all of them today. I could keep working on it at this point, but it looks way way better than what it was looking like in the beginning. So I'm probably gonna work on it just a little more, just to get it more rounded and smooth, and then come back. All right, this is probably as straight as I can get it. So this is what it looks like. That is how I maintenance my straggly ends and my locks. I'm gonna go through my hair and fix all the straggly ones like so, and then I will show you guys later on down the line what my hair looks like after I have fixed, hopefully, all of the ones that look like that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my video, and share to your people and to your friends, and let them know that Sierra today is making lock videos. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on my next one. Peace.